Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back here for a quick tip. Before I get into that tip, I wanted to show you all how to create a Scully out of the Infinity head wrap. So here I have the Infinity head wrap in Girls Like You. You know, these are super versatile. If you haven't seen it already, definitely check out my video where I showcase a ton of ways how to wear the Infinity head wrap. I actually have 2 videos on that, so check them out. So I'm going to show you how to make this into a Scully. So basically you want to flip it inside out. And once it's inside out, you want to twist it in the middle. So just twist it. Like make a 360 degree twist. Now once it's twisted, on one side you want to pull it down like that, okay? And then you go inside and you pull the other piece. So there you have it. Super simple. Let me put it on for you guys. And when you put it on, you want to just grab onto the outer layer so that you have more stretch. So I'm going to just put it on. And then grab the top layer. Oh, this looks so cute with my lip gloss. So with that being said, now I'll get into the tip of the video, okay? A lot of the times we use shampoos and we feel like that dries out our hair. And that's really bad, especially in the LOCS community. A lot of us are scared of conditioner. A lot of us don't want to use conditioner because conditioner does cause buildup. Especially if it's a really thick conditioner and you don't wash it out very well. Maybe you don't wash your hair very often. Whatever the circumstances are, conditioner can cause buildup. So a lot of times we don't use conditioner. That leaves our hair to be dried out if we have really strong shampoos that strip all the moisture out of our hair and we're not replenishing the moisture. Hopefully, if you're not using conditioner, you're definitely using oils like hot oil treatments and things like that to help moisturize your hair. But if you're not, here's a tip, okay? And even if you are, this tip is still very useful. Even if you are using hot oil treatments and things like that, this tip will still be beneficial. A lot of the times we buy shampoos and we can't return them after we use so much of it. But we don't want to use them anymore because we find that it's drying on our hair. For instance, Sulfur 8. I know it's pretty old school, but I use this shampoo every several months, maybe like twice a year. I use this because maybe twice a year my scalp acts up and I deal with dandruff. So it's a medicated shampoo. It's really good for curing dandruff, basically. But it also dries my hair out terribly. So what I do is add about a tablespoon or 2 of my favorite carrier oil, or you can use the horsetail leaf growth oil. I definitely recommend using the horsetail leaf growth oil over any carrier oil because this oil is packed with a lot of goodness that's great for your hair. The oil is actually infused with horsetail leaf herbs, so it's not, I didn't use any extracts when I created this oil. It's actually infused with the actual herbs, and it's been strained, of course. Definitely read the description box below to find out about all of the benefits of horsetail leaf herb, okay? But yeah, this is packed with amazing carrier oils and amazing essential oils that are really good for hair growth, hair moisturizing, overall scalp and hair health. So I'm gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon or 2 inside my shampoo. I think that's good enough. Yeah, you don't need to use a lot. You definitely don't need to use a lot of the oil when you're adding it to your shampoo. You still want the shampoo to be able to do what it does. You know, you still want it to clean your hair thoroughly, so you don't want to put too much oil in it. But just a little bit of oil, a couple tablespoons, is all you'll need to kind of combat the stripping power that it has, okay? So definitely try it out. Let me know if you try it and how your results are. If you have a shampoo that really strips your hair, try adding some oil to it, and it'll definitely bring your hair back to life. Okay? Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.